Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something a bit different from the usual security cameras that I reviewed on this channel. This is the Reolink Elite Floodlight WiFi, and honestly, calling it just a security camera doesn't quite do it justice. This thing is an absolute beast. Now, I've tested a lot of security cameras over the years on the channel, from budget offerings to premium setups, but the Elite sits in a category of its own. We're talking professional grade surveillance here, with dual lenses, 180-degree ultra-wide coverage, 4K resolution, and get this, 3,000 lumens of adjustable floodlight power. All of this for around $199. So, is this the ultimate outdoor security solution, or is it overkill for most people? Let's find out today. Now, before I dive into the rest of this video, I would like to give you an example of a traditional style CCTV setup. In fact, this is our CCTV setup, and it's captured the moment that thieves broke into our brand new 6-week-old car and just drove it away like it's nothing. You can see the car in white here, aka ours, just casually driving away like it was their own. The shot we got of the guy that did it hanging around the car was there, but you can't make out any detail whatsoever, which is usually the limitation of traditional CCTV cameras. They capture the footage, but it's often so difficult to really get much information from them. Figures are lacking details, reg plates are near on unreadable, and that's why this Reolink camera is immensely impressive, as you will see in the video. When it comes to CCTV, it's absolutely an area that you need to invest that little bit extra into. It doesn't have to be thousands, but it'll pay off, trust me. Oh, and don't worry, they found the car a few hours later in a less than ideal state, and the guy's been caught, so we will be getting it back after a lengthy repairs period. Now, let's get back on to the video in question. Right, let's talk about what you actually get when you order one of these. First thing you'll notice when you open the box is that this is not your typical compact security camera. The Elite weighs in at 1.3 kilograms and measures 174 by 184 by 295 millimeters. It's substantial. It's got presence. When you mount this on the side of your house, people are going to notice. And honestly, that's the part of the point. The build quality is immediately apparent. Everything feels solid and robust, from the metal housing to the articulating arms that hold the floodlights in place. Reolink has included absolutely everything you need for installation. Screws, raw plugs, washers, wire nuts for the electrical connections, and even a mounting template. The attention to detail here is excellent. The unit consists of 3 main components, 2 adjustable floodlight modules at the top, and below them this rather unique dual lens camera system. The whole assembly is rated IP66, which means it's completely dust tight and can withstand powerful water jets. So rain, sleet and snow, whatever the British weather throws at it, this will handle it. Let me show you the camera module in detail. On the underside, there's a screw-on cover that conceals the reset button, a microSD card slot that supports cards up to a 512GB in size, and a USB-C port. Now that USB-C port is only for initial setup. You cannot power this camera via USB during normal operation. This is a mains-powered device only, and I'll explain the installation process shortly. What really impresses me about the physical design is the sheer adjustability. Each floodlight sits on a double-jointed arm, meaning you can position them to throw light forward, to the sides, upwards, downwards, or in any combination you need. You could have one facing forward and one to the side if you're monitoring a corner location. The camera module itself can be adjusted up and down, left and right, and here's the clever bit. It rotates through a full 360 degrees. This means that a 180-degree field of view can be positioned horizontally, which is great for wide driveways or yards, or vertically, which is perfect for narrow paths, alleyways or tall areas that you need to monitor from top to bottom. That kind of flexibility from one single device is genuinely brilliant. Now, installation. I'm not going to lie to you, this requires mains power, which means you'll need to be comfortable working with electrical wiring, or alternatively, in the best case scenario, you need to hire a qualified electrician. There's no battery option here, no solar panels, This is a hardwired 100 to 240 volts AC installation. For transparency, Reolink sent me this unit over with a very long power cable with a UK plug on the end for installation and a 64GB microSD card to complete the review. When you purchase it yourself, you will need to purchase these items separately. However, in terms of the cables, most good electricians will be able to provide the cable for you if you get it done through them. That said, Reolink has made the process as straightforward as possible. The power cables at the back of the camera unit come pre-stripped and are helpfully long, giving you plenty of wire to work with. They supply wire nuts to make connecting to your main supply simple and secure. Before you do any of the installing on the wall, you need to set the camera up. You remove that little cover that we mentioned earlier, put your microSD card in, and then obviously connect the USB Type-C cable and connect it to a power source. The actual setup process is incredibly easy. You power the camera initially via that USB-C port. Reolink includes the cable, but you'll need to provide your own USB power point. Download the Reolink app or desktop client, press the power button on the camera, scan the QR code and enter your Wi-Fi password, and then you're essentially done. The camera supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, which is excellent for maintaining a stable connection. Once you've got it connected, you mount the weatherproof bracket to your wall. Attach the camera assembly to that bracket and wire it to your mains power. There's even a dedicated cutout at the bottom of the housing for the power cable to go in, so you don't need to drill any additional holes through your wall. The final step is aligning the images from the two lenses, which involves adjusting the focus distance and tweaking the horizontal and vertical gain until the seam between the two images disappears. It might take a minute or two, but it's completely intuitive through the app. Right, let's talk about this dual lens system, because this is where the Elite really separates itself from standard security cameras. Each lens features a 1/2.7-inch CMOS sensor, and together they produce images at 5120 by 1552 resolution, which is equivalent to 8 megapixels. The horizontal field of view is a full 180 degrees with 59 degrees vertical. What this means in practice is complete coverage of large areas with absolutely no blind spots. If you've got a wide driveway, a big front garden, or a commercial parking area, or you just simply need to monitor the entire front of your property, this camera does it in one seamless panoramic view. The image stitching technology is genuinely impressive. Once you've got it calibrated, the join between the two camera feeds is virtually invisible. You can use the clip feature in the app to tap and zoom into specific areas, and the detail you can pull out even from distant corners of the frame is simply remarkable. Video records at 20 frames per second, which is perfectly adequate for security purposes, and the clarity is, as you can see, excellent. Colours are vibrant and accurate, details are super sharp, and you get a really good sense of depth and scale in the footage. Now, I will mention, for my sake, I'm having to record onto my street. Normally you wouldn't be able to do this, but I've got the permission of the police and also the surrounding neighbours due to the fact that we've had some burglaries recently with a car. Now, those floodlights, 3000 lumens. Let me put that into perspective. That's warehouse level illumination. Reolink claims these can emit bright light up to 12 meters from the source, and I'd say that's actually quite conservative. These lights are genuinely powerful. But here's where it gets really clever. You can adjust both the brightness and the colour temperature of each light. The brightness can be dialed down if 3000 lumens is just simply too much for your particular setting. And let's be honest, in a typical suburban garden, full power is probably going to blind everyone, including yourself. The colour temperature adjustment is absolutely fantastic. You can slide between 3000 Kelvin, which gives you a warm ambient glow that's lovely for outdoor entertaining, all the way up to 6000 Kelvin, which produces a cool, clinical white light that's perfect for maximum security visibility and clear colour footage at night. There are multiple lighting modes available. You can set the lights to stay on continuously, follow a dusk to dawn schedule, or activate only when motion is detected. You can also adjust how long they stay on after detecting motion, from 30 seconds up to 15 minutes. If you prefer not to advertise your surveillance quite so obviously with the lights, the Elite has you covered. The infrared night vision system works brilliantly, producing high contrast, sharp black and white footage up to 30 meters away. There are 9 850nm IR LEDs with an automatic IR cut filter. But there's also a third option, colour night vision without the floodlights or infrared. The sensors are sensitive enough to capture decent colour footage in low ambient light. It's not as crisp as when the floodlights are on, obviously, but it's impressive technology nonetheless. The combination of powerful illumination and that 4K resolution provides absolutely stunning nighttime footage, and everything is clear, colourful and detailed, and is a genuine, huge deterrent for any would-be thieves. The Elite comes with AI-powered detection that can distinguish between people, vehicles and animals. This is genuinely useful for cutting down on false alerts. You're not going to get notifications every time a cat wanders through your garden or leaves simply blow across your driveway. When the system does detect motion, several things happen simultaneously. The floodlight springs to life. The built-in 105 decibel Siren sounds, and trust me, it's really loud, even for a deaf person, and you can set up a custom 5-second voice alert that plays through the speaker. Now, you can be a bit ingenious and a bit clever with what you say on this, but for general reasons, I'd probably be careful what you say on this. Real-time mobile notifications also ensure you're immediately aware of what's happening. There's also perimeter protection with some quite sophisticated options. You can set up line crossing alerts, where the camera triggers when someone or something crosses a virtual line you've drawn. Zone intrusion alerts activate when people or vehicles enter a defined area. And zone loitering alerts trigger when someone lingers in a particular zone for a set period of time. You can also adjust the minimum size of an object that will trigger detection. So if you want to ignore your small dog, but still be alerted to the neighbour's larger cat, you can calibrate that. Storage is entirely flexible, which I really appreciate. You can use a microSD card up to 512GB installed directly in the camera, with no monthly fees. Everything is stored locally. You can also connect to a compatible Reolink Wi-Fi NVR for expanded capacity, or use the Reolink Home Hub or Home Hub Pro for encrypted centralized storage. If you prefer off-site backup, you can record to an FTP or NAS server. The camera supports RTSP and ONVIF, so it plays nicely with third-party systems. For those who want cloud storage, Reolink offers 2 subscription tiers. The basic plan supports 5 cameras with 30GB of storage for £3.49 per month, and the Premier plan supports 10 cameras with 80GB. But the beauty of this system is you absolutely don't need a subscription to get full functionality. The Reolink mobile app is one of the better designed security camera apps I've used. The interface is clean and intuitive, with big obvious toggles for two-way audio and playback. The playback menu uses a straightforward linear timeline that supports both slow motion and high-speed review of recorded clips. There's also a Windows desktop client that adds even more features, including the ability to adjust colour saturation, contrast and sharpness of a video feed. For anyone who wants really precise control over their image quality, that's a really nice touch. Response times are excellent. When motion is detected and a notification is sent to your phone, it's virtually instantaneous. When you open the app to view the live feed, it connects in a second or two. There's no frustrating lag or buffering. It just works, and it works really quickly. Smart home compatibility is currently limited to Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. If you're using Apple HomeKit, you're probably out of luck for now. However, Reolink is part of the ONVIF standards group, so the camera should integrate with other ONVIF compatible systems and hubs. There are some really nice additional touches here. The two-way audio is very clear. The microphone has effective noise cancellation, so conversations are easy to understand even in windy conditions. The speaker is loud and clear enough for deterrent messages or actual conversations. The Wi-Fi 6 connectivity makes a real difference. With dual band support and WPA3 encryption, you get faster speeds, lower latency and much better security than older Wi-Fi standards. Even if you've got multiple devices on your network, the connection stays stable and responsive. So let's address the obvious question. Is this camera overkill for most situations? Honestly, probably yes. If you live in a terrace house or a small semi-detached property with a modest garden, the Reolink Elite is going to be far more camera than you need. The smaller, solar-powered Reolink Atlas would probably serve you perfectly well and save you some money too. But if you've got a detached property with a large garden, a long driveway, or a significant land to monitor, the Elite makes complete sense. If you run a business with outdoor premises, a car park, a warehouse yard, a shop front, anything like that, this camera will absolutely do the job. The 180-degree coverage means you can monitor an entire area with a single camera that would otherwise require 2 or 3 standard units. And at £199, it's actually remarkably good value considering what you're getting. Professional CCTV systems with this kind of coverage and image quality typically cost significantly more. Right, so the final thoughts. The Reolink Elite Floodlight WiFi is genuinely impressive. The build quality is excellent. The installation process is as straightforward as a mains-powered system can be. And the performance is outstanding. The image quality is superb, both day and night. The 180-degree coverage eliminates blind spots completely. The floodlights are powerful enough for serious security applications, but adjustable enough to use for ambient outdoor lighting. The AI detection works well and cuts down on false alerts. The app is responsive and well designed, and you'll get all of this with no mandatory subscriptions. My criticisms are genuinely minor. I'd have liked a manual override for the floodlights to keep them permanently on without having to re-trigger them, and broader smart home compatibility would be welcome. But honestly, those are small quibbles. If you need serious outdoor security coverage and you have the right kind of property for it, the Reolink Elite Floodlight WiFi is an outstanding choice. It's professional grade equipment at a consumer friendly price, and it absolutely 100% deserves a recommendation. Is it the ultimate outdoor security camera? For large properties and commercial applications, I'd say yes, 100%. For smaller residential setups, it's probably a little bit more than what you'd need, but there's certainly nothing wrong with having extra capability and security for your home. And that's it for this review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions about the Reolink Elite or suggestions for future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.